The world has slowed so you can rediscover yourself. Our recipe for today, introducing Kuih Seri Muka. And here are the ingredients. Clean and wash 1½ cup of glutinous rice. Fill with water and soak overnight. Combine 2/3 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup water, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1½ tablespoons of sugar. Transfer the soaked rice in the pan. Pour the coconut mixture. Add some pandan leaves. And steam for 30 minutes. Cook the sweet potatoes until soft. Mash the sweet potatoes. Add 1/3 cup of water. One cup coconut milk. One-half cup all-purpose flour. One-4 cup rice flour. And 1/4 cup cornstarch. Combine 5/8 cup of sugar and 2 whole eggs. Add it into the mixture. Cook with low heat until it thickens. Remove the pandan leaves on the rice and flatten with spoon. Pour the mixture on top. And steam for 35 to 40 minutes. And voila! It's done! That's it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye!